People always ask me what I use on my curly wig. So this is what the wig looks like. Completely just wet and towel blotted with the towel. I did not run my fingers through the wig at all yet. I'm gonna spray some bamboo and silk leave-in conditioner on her. Not a whole lot, but just enough to coat all the strands. And then I will use my Denman brush and comb through her. Alright, so I take my Denman brush. I like to take the brush under the curls. Don't ask me why. I think I saw somebody do it one time, and now I'm addicted to doing it. So I literally just brush through the hair 1 or 2 times, you guys, not a lot. Alright, and I'll go over the top just a little bit. Alright, so that's how the hair looks now. Now I'm going to go in with a diffuser. This is how I cut my bangs before I diffuse the hair, actually. I am just going to point, cut, and I don't know who's exactly going to be wearing this wig, so I'm not going to do it too short. If you are somebody like out of the state purchasing this wig, definitely, if you can't do it yourself, find someone to cut your bangs a little shorter, you know what I mean? So just in case the bangs are too long for you, all right, she's done, guys. Look how beautiful she moves. Natural curls, you guys, all natural. There's so many people that be like, oh my gosh, like, did you curl those by hand? No, all natural curls, raw Indian hair. Order yours today. Yes, you guys, both of these wigs will be on the website tomorrow. If they sell out, don't trip. You guys can definitely do a custom order for these. It's raw Indian curly hair. This brown, dark brown one is a medium cap, and the natural black is a small cap. And if you need a large or an extra small, let me know. We can get a custom order in for you guys, okay? Natural curly, full wig, no lace, beautiful.